Good morning, scholars. Today we're going to preview Lesson 27, our final bit of surveying the aorist passive verbs. Here we're looking at Smythe's section 595, those verbs that show both the first and second aorist passive forms, and these are the verbs that are common in prose. Now, I did not do literary examples of these just simply because that was being too time intensive, and I wanted to get back to the main vein of Pharr's course. So here are all of the verbs, and you'll see that I have simply given them and recited them: anoint, get rid of, dip, harm, wet, yoke, squeeze, steal, make, to bend, hide, collect, need, mix, make fast, plate, strike, throw, deprive, turn about, arrange, melt, turn, rear, rub, appear, fence in, and chill. And so those are the verbs that get enunciated, and that is the completes our treatment of these sections of Smythe, where he notes the especially important first and second aorist verbs. Okay, so like I say, you'll find the whole of that lecture on my Patreon site. Good luck with your Greek, and goodbye.